Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious blueberry muffins. Okay, let's get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 cups of white all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Well, I just got myself a new spatula for the channel. Look how cute it is, and it even has the measurements on the back. For those of you who like pretty things like me, I know you'll be wondering where I bought it from, but I went to the store that was closing, so I'm not sure if this is available online. I couldn't help myself, this was the only one there, so I had to get it. Okay, now we're going to put the wet ingredients together. You are going to need 1 cup of sour cream. This is not something you normally see in a recipe like this, but this is what makes it so good. It just melts in your mouth. You are going to need 1 egg, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk everything together. I'm going to put my wet ingredients in my dry ingredients and mix that together. One thing about this, you don't want to overmix your batter, you just want to mix it until it's combined. At this point, you'll want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there. I also have a Facebook page and a TikTok if you want to follow me there. Just look for Cooking with Shirani on each one. Okay, when you're done with that, you're going to add 1 cup of fresh blueberries. You're just going to gently fold that in. You don't want to burst your blueberries. Here I have my muffin tin that I'm going to line, and I'm just using a jumbo muffin tin. I don't know, something about a jumbo muffin is just so good. I'm going to use 2 spoons to put the batter in each cup, and just make sure you fill them evenly. I love this recipe so much and I make it all the time. By now I could make this recipe with my eyes closed. Funny story, I was never a blueberry fan. Well, we didn't grow up with blueberries in Belize. It's just when I moved to the States I had blueberries, and I never liked blueberries for the longest time. I don't know what happened. Something changed. I get older. I don't know. But now I love blueberries. I put it in everything. Right now I'm having blueberries every morning for my breakfast in my smoothie. If you want to see how I make my breakfast smoothie, leave me a comment below and let me know and I can make a video. Now I'm going to put this in my preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit oven and I'm going to bake this for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, I'm going to lower the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm going to let that bake for 30 minutes. You'll know your muffin is done when you insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. The reason you want to bake it at a high temperature in the beginning is that so it can have that dome shape. And this is not totally necessary, but this will make you look like a rock star in the kitchen. I'm just going to put them on my wire rack to cool. I don't know if you've noticed, but sometimes you see muffins, they look pointy or they burst or they're flat. But when you do this and get that dome shape, you're going to look like you have a bakery. Look how beautiful these are. And as you can see, they have that dome shape. So that's what I was talking about. It's just so satisfying to see the liner peel right off the muffin. And that's the mark of a good muffin, when it doesn't stick to the liner. That's when you know you've done your job right. I so wish I could share with you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It just melts in your mouth. I don't know how else to describe it. I like these jumbo muffins too because you can eat a whole muffin and no one will ever know you ate 2 smaller muffins. I know I'm not tricking anybody but myself, but hey, just go with it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.